Hello, my name is Judy Machira. I am a student at Regis College where I'm doing my master's in nursing in the family practice tract. I am sitting before this committee in support of the legislature by Senator Bernie Sanders called Medicare for All Act of 2019. I am here to support this bill because of the impact it's going to create on behavioral health patients. This act is going to provide healthcare for all Americans on an equal measure, on a fresh start, fresh page. It's going to eliminate all other forms of healthcare delivery plans here in America, being private insurance, Medicare, Medicaid, and the children's insurance. When this act is going to be put into practice, it's going to give quick access to healthcare for behavioral health patients. They are not going to have to wait in emergency rooms as they have been for days to months, waiting to see a therapist. The current arrangement has very few behavioral health therapists. Thus, any patient facing issues has to wait to see one, or if they are lucky enough, they can see a volunteer therapist. Medicare for All is going to eliminate all the bureaucracy, duplication, third parties, wastage, and delays that the current health insurance market is, which has no system at all, that it's not government controlled, and the patients are at the mercy of this fragmented system. So I am appealing to the committee to be in support of the Medicare for All in America by Bernie Sanders, which will open a fresh page and a fresh start. Patients will be able to see their therapists faster, and they will be able to be regulated and saved from going downhill. The waits in medical floors and emergency rooms is not ideal for them. This act will help to channel them in the right direction without delays, and it will make a huge difference for mental health or behavioral health patients and that kind of clientele. One other thing is that there will be more therapists, unlike now. Mental health, behavioral health has been lacking. It does not have an equal measure of access to healthcare like the medical diseases or other conditions. So I am appealing to this committee to consider promoting and supporting Medicare for All by Bernie Sanders, Senator of Maine. Thank you.